What if I told you that most Americans will spend 40 years of their life working a job they hate, just to retire broke? That's not me being dramatic. The average American retires with less than $100,000 in savings. That's not freedom. That's a prison sentence with a gold watch. But here's the thing, financial freedom is not about being rich. It's about having choices. And today, I'm going to show you exactly how to get there, no matter where you're starting from. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, I talk about money, investing, and building a life you actually want to live. In this video, I'm going to break down the 6 steps to financial freedom. The same steps I used, the same steps thousands of people across America are using right now to escape the 9-to-5 grind. Stick with me until the end because step 5 is the one most people skip, and it's honestly the most powerful one. Let's get into it. First, let's define what financial freedom actually means. Because most people get this wrong. Financial freedom doesn't mean you have $1 million in the bank. It means your passive income covers your monthly expenses. That's it. Simple. Powerful. So if your expenses are $4,000 a month, and your investments, rental income, or business generates $4,001 a month, you are financially free. You don't have to work another day in your life if you don't want to. You work because you choose to, not because you have to. That's the difference. Step 1 is to figure out your number. I call this your financial freedom number, and you need to know it before you can chase it. Here's how you calculate it. Take your monthly expenses and multiply by 12 to get your yearly expenses. Then multiply that by 25. Why 25? Because of something called the 4% rule, a well-tested financial principle that says if you withdraw 4% of your portfolio every year, your money will last forever. Let me give you an example. Say you spend $4,000 a month. That's $48,000 a year. Times 25. That's $1.2 million. That's your number. That's your target. Sounds like a lot? Keep watching, because steps 3 and 4 are going to completely change how you see that number. Step 2, and this one's brutal but necessary. You have to kill your debt. Debt is the enemy of financial freedom. Every dollar you owe is a chain around your ankle. Now, I know what some of you are thinking, but my mortgage is good debt, and sure, there's a difference between good debt and bad debt. But right now I'm talking about the bad kind. Credit cards. Car loans. Personal loans. Buy now pay later garbage. That stuff is killing your future. Here's what you do. Use the debt avalanche method. List all your debts from highest interest rate to lowest. Pay minimum on everything except the highest interest one. Throw every extra dollar at that one. Once it's gone, move to the next. The average American carries over $6,000 in credit card debt at 20% plus interest. That's insane. You're literally paying the bank to keep you poor. Kill the debt first. Then we build. Step 3, build your emergency fund. I know, this sounds boring. But hear me out. You need 3 to 6 months of expenses saved in a high-yield savings account before you start investing. Why? Because without this safety net, one unexpected car repair or medical bill will force you to go back into debt or sell your investments at the worst time. Right now, high-yield savings accounts are paying over 4% interest. That's real money doing nothing but sitting there. Open one today. Set up automatic transfers. Forget about it. Let it grow. Once you hit 3-6 months of expenses, that's your baseline. That's your foundation. Now we get to the fun part. Step 4. This is where financial freedom actually gets built. You need to invest. Consistently. Automatically. Every single month. Here's the order I recommend. First, max out your 401k up to your employer match. If your company matches 4% and you're not contributing at least 4%, you're literally leaving free money on the table. That's a 100% return before you even start. Second, max out your Roth IRA. In 2025, you can put in $7,000 a year. That money grows tax-free. In 30 years, you could have $500,000 plus that the IRS cannot touch. That's one of the best deals in America. Third, invest in low-cost index funds. Forget picking stocks. Forget crypto gambling. Just put your money in a simple S&P 500 index fund, like VU or SPY, and let the market do the work. The S&P 500 has averaged about 10% return per year for the last 100 years. If you invest $500 a month starting at 25, by the time you're 55, you'll have over $1 million. You don't need to be a genius. You just need to be consistent. Step 5. This is the one most people skip. And it's honestly the fastest path to financial freedom. One income stream is not enough. Period. The average millionaire has 7 income streams. 7. Here are some realistic ones you can start today. Number 1, your job. That's income stream number 1. Good start. Number 2, a side hustle. Freelancing, consulting, driving, selling on eBay, whatever matches your skills. Number 3, dividend stocks. Buy stocks that pay you every quarter just for owning them. Number 4, real estate. Even one rental property can change your life. Number 5, digital products. Ebooks, courses, templates, create once, sell forever. Number 6, content creation. Yes, YouTube counts. My channel generates passive income every single month. You don't need all 7 overnight. Start with 1. Build the next. Then the next. Every income stream you add is another step toward freedom. Step 6. Protect what you build. Because it's not just about making money. It's about keeping it. Here's what that looks like in real life. Get term life insurance, especially if you have a family. It's cheap and it protects everything you're building. Get proper health insurance. One medical emergency without coverage can wipe out years of savings. Write a will. I know nobody wants to think about this, but if something happens to you, your family needs to know what to do. And finally, keep learning. The number 1 investment you can make is in yourself. Read 1 financial book a month. Watch channels like this one. Stay educated. Because the rules change, and the people who win are the ones who keep up. Look, I'm not going to lie to you. This isn't a get-rich-quick scheme. There's no magic app. There's no secret stock tip. Financial freedom is built brick by brick. Dollar by dollar. Month by month. But here's the truth that nobody tells you, it's simpler than you think. You don't need to be an expert. You don't need to earn 6 figures. You just need a plan and the discipline to follow it. The best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. So let me ask you, which of these 6 steps are you going to start with today? Let me know in the comments below. I read every single one. If this video helped you, smash that like button. It helps more people find this content and honestly, it keeps me motivated to keep making videos like this. Subscribe if you haven't yet, because every week I drop videos on building wealth, investing, and living life on your own terms. I'll see you in the next one. Take care of yourselves,